NBHS has chosen to designate this award to a person from within the organization that may have the task of championing social justice issues as a part of volunteering with the NBHS. It may also be awarded to an individual from outside the organization that has been a champion for social justice in Nunavut. This person, through their exceptional efforts, may have created change in a specific area of social justice or built awareness of the need for change.
Zimbabwean-born Francesca Mandea, a resident of Iqaluit, Nunavut, has a passion for social justice, and she uses her voice to disrupt the culture of silence. She has authored 2 books on gender equality and racial injustice. They are namely Mother, Behold Thy Son, One Woman's Journey to Dismantle Patriarchy and Live a Life of Equality, Love, and Freedom. The second, Searching for Racial Equality, an African woman's urgent call to be anti-racist, in 2002. Among Francesca's other accomplishments are being awarded 2 prizes by Kulit Nunavut Status of Women on Gender Equality in 2015. She contributes to the National Gender Agenda through Equal Futures Canada. Francesca was featured in a children's book, Big Dreamers, Canadian Black History, which recognizes Black Canadians making a difference in 2020. She published a rights-based music album, Brewing Storm, Kwasuma, in 2020, and uses the music to teach. She designed Call, a personal leadership course, designed Sage Kids, a children's mental fitness program. Mandea plays the mbira, a traditional Zimbabwean instrument, and uses music as a vehicle of social change, using it to teach children in Nunavut and Zimbabwe about their rights in her Child Rights and I Have a Voice workshops. Also, in suicide prevention workshops with youth in Nunavut. She is a mother certified coach, positive intelligence coach, mental fitness trainer, public speaker, and founder of Mothers United. It is a pleasure to present the 2022 President's Award for Social Justice to Francesca Mandea. Congratulations, Francesca.
Wow, I am grateful. I am overjoyed to have been selected to receive the Sankofa President's Award for Social Justice. I'm grateful to the Nunavut Black History Society for honoring me. I am grateful that the work that I do resonates with the society. That warms my heart. For me, social justice is an act of love. Love of self, love of others, love for our ancestors, love for God, love for equality, love for freedom, love for peace, love for the human race to thrive, leaving no one behind. A question of I am because you are. Even though today I received the Sankofa Award, and even though I have healed from pain and trauma, and even though I teach mental fitness for social justice and peace, and I take positive social action, I wasn't always this empowered. I am that girl, born girl number 3, in violent colonial Rhodesia, where the British were fighting Zimbabweans. I am that 5-year-old that watched her mother and her father being brutalized by British soldiers, taking them to prison together with my baby sister Juliet. Then white people occupied the top rung of the race ladder. Then Asians, then coloreds. My people were teetering precariously at the bottom of the race ladder. Girls were not valued the same as boys. So I was born into the negative violent energy of you are not enough. Society has supported systems, long-standing systems that perpetuate social injustice. Maybe these systems have impacted you. Have you ever been treated unjustly because of your race, gender, ethnicity, religion, caste, class? If so, you're not alone. One thing I know is that social justice is everyone's birthright. I had to learn to love myself, to say I am enough, to undo mind control, and to tell myself and others, empower the truth. I had to learn that I am an equal human being with equal human rights, deserving equal treatment. But like the Sankofa, I had to go back in history to acknowledge the pain and trauma. I had to go back in history to acknowledge the resilience that my parents showed me and our ancestors have always had. I had to go back in history to know who I am. I am resilient. And today I speak, I write, I sing, I teach, I preach social justice. I want to thank everyone who does social justice work every day in their homes. I want to thank all the people who have made this possible. My editor, Rob Okun, who helped me birth my social justice books, my tutors, Training for Transformation, Training for Change, the institutions, Wage Canada, One Woman, and Equal Futures, CanWatch. Thank you for supporting me. CBC for amplifying my voice. Tracy Lamori for helping me amplify my voice. And I want to thank my parents, who I honor with this award, for teaching me love, for teaching me community, and my siblings for supporting me, my children for inspiring me to aspire for an equal future, my husband, my stand-up guy, for always being there to support me. Stephanie Bernard, Nunavut Black History Society, I want to thank you for this opportunity. I promise that I will keep doing social justice work. I will gather people in dialogue to uproot social injustice. I will continue to invite mothers so that we come together and raise the future that we want. Again, thank you. I'm so humbled.